Have you ever wondered how simple it is to create stunning and profitable content with just 2 AI tools? In today's fast-paced digital era, artificial intelligence has revolutionized creativity and efficiency, opening doors for everyone to dive into content creation. Whether you're an aspiring creator or an experienced professional, the combination of HailuoAI and Vidu.Studio can help you bring incredible ideas to life. From animations to viral shorts, these tools make complex tasks easier than ever before. Let's explore how you can turn your passion into profit with minimal effort and maximum impact. In this video, I will introduce you to 10 unique ideas that can be entirely crafted using these 2 innovative AI tools. These ideas are not only fun, but also have massive potential for generating views and income on platforms like YouTube. Plus, I'll share insights on how you can monetize these creations creatively. Stick around until the end because the 10th idea could transform your content game entirely. Ready to unlock your creativity and discover the endless possibilities of AI-powered content creation? Let's dive in! Idea 1. Creating educational animation videos for kids. Educational animations for children are in high demand, making them a fantastic niche for content creators. With HailuoAI, you can generate captivating characters, and Vidu.Studio allows you to animate these characters effortlessly. Parents and educators are always searching for fun yet educational content that engages young minds. This type of content not only attracts a loyal audience, but also encourages higher watch times, boosting your channel's growth. To monetize these videos, you can partner with educational brands or include sponsored content. Additionally, creating merchandise based on your animated characters can be a lucrative revenue stream. Platforms like YouTube Kids provide an ideal space to showcase your educational animations, ensuring a family-friendly environment for your audience. Imagine creating a series about basic math skills, environmental awareness, or storytelling, all tailored for children. These videos can easily go viral and attract millions of views. With the support of AI, you don't need advanced animation skills to produce high-quality content. This idea combines creativity, purpose, and profitability, making it perfect for aspiring creators. Idea 2. Short videos of building demolitions. Short videos showcasing building demolitions are incredibly satisfying to watch and have a massive audience on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Using HailuoAI, you can generate realistic 3D models of buildings, while Vidu.Studio enables you to animate their destruction in fascinating detail. These videos are quick to produce and perfect for grabbing viewers' attention in seconds. To monetize this content, you can collaborate with construction or engineering companies, offering them a unique way to showcase their projects. Alternatively, you can include affiliate links for equipment or products used in real-life demolitions. The viral nature of these videos ensures a steady flow of views and engagement. From controlled explosions to creative collapses, the possibilities for these videos are endless. Adding dramatic sound effects and slow-motion replays can make your content even more appealing. With AI tools, you can focus on creativity while letting the technology handle the technical details, making this idea both efficient and profitable. Idea 3. Creating game and gameplay videos. Gaming content remains one of the most popular niches on YouTube, and AI tools can help you create your own unique games or enhance gameplay videos. With HailuoAI, you can design game assets, and Vidu.Studio allows you to animate gameplay scenarios seamlessly. This idea caters to a massive audience, ranging from casual gamers to hardcore enthusiasts. Monetization options for gaming content include sponsorships, affiliate marketing for gaming accessories, and ad revenue from high view counts. Additionally, you can launch your own gaming-related merchandise, such as themed apparel or accessories. The gaming industry's continued growth ensures a steady demand for creative and engaging content. Imagine creating a fantasy-themed game with AI-generated characters and levels, or showcasing epic battles in a custom-made RPG. By sharing behind-the-scenes insights into the game creation process, you can attract both gamers and aspiring developers. This idea not only entertains, but also educates, opening up multiple revenue streams. Idea 4. Cooking videos with AI twist food content is universally loved, and adding an AI twist can make your cooking videos stand out. With HailuoAI, you can design unique recipes, and Vidu.Studio enables you to create visually stunning animations of the cooking process. This combination is perfect for presenting recipes in a modern and engaging way. To monetize these videos, you can partner with food brands, promote kitchen gadgets, or include affiliate links for ingredients. Additionally, compiling your AI-designed recipes into an e-cookbook can generate extra income. The vibrant visuals and creative approach will attract food enthusiasts from around the globe. Imagine showcasing a futuristic dish or recreating classic recipes with a modern twist. AI tools allow you to experiment with new flavors and techniques, making your content unique. From short recipe videos to full-length cooking tutorials, the possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. Idea 5. Short animal videos. Animal videos are a guaranteed way to attract views and engagement on any platform. With HailuoAI, you can create adorable animal characters, and Vidu.Studio allows you to animate their antics in entertaining scenarios. These videos are perfect for short-form content, making them ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Monetization opportunities include partnering with pet brands, selling themed merchandise, or creating a digital series featuring your AI-generated animals. The universal appeal of animal content ensures a broad audience and consistent growth for your channel. Imagine a playful puppy chasing a butterfly or a curious kitten exploring a magical forest. These scenarios can be brought to life with minimal effort using AI tools. By combining humor, cuteness, and creativity, you can create highly shareable content that resonates with viewers of all ages. If you've enjoyed these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps me continue bringing you innovative content creation strategies. Plus, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for leveraging AI in your creative projects. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see how you bring these ideas to life. Now, let's move on to the next set of ideas that will take your content creation to the next level. Idea 6. Football highlight videos. Football highlight videos are a goldmine for attracting sports fans and generating views. With HailuoAI, you can create realistic player models or enhance existing footage, while Vidu.Studio enables you to add dynamic animations and effects. This type of content thrives on YouTube, where fans are always searching for the latest highlights or creative takes on the game. You can monetize these videos by partnering with sports brands, promoting football gear, or selling football-themed merchandise. Additionally, collaborating with local teams or leagues to showcase their games can open up new revenue streams. The passion of football fans ensures a consistent and engaged audience for your channel. From recreating iconic goals to animating dream matches, the possibilities for football highlight videos are endless. AI tools allow you to elevate your content quality and stand out from the competition. By combining creativity and technology, you can tap into one of the most popular niches on YouTube. Idea 7. Short videos of animals inside eggs. Cute and quirky content, like animals hatching from eggs, has massive viral potential. With HailuoAI, you can design adorable animal characters, and Vidu.Studio enables you to animate their hatching process in detail. These videos appeal to a wide audience, from children to adults who enjoy lighthearted and entertaining content. To monetize these videos, you can partner with toy brands, create themed merchandise, or include affiliate links for related products. The unique and whimsical nature of this idea makes it highly shareable and perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Imagine a baby dragon emerging from its shell, or a tiny penguin taking its first steps. These delightful scenarios can captivate viewers and encourage repeated views. By leveraging AI, you can produce high-quality videos with minimal effort, ensuring consistent growth for your channel. Idea 8. Hybrid content videos. Hybrid content combines multiple genres or styles, creating unique and engaging videos. With HailuoAI, you can generate diverse elements, and Vidu.Studio allows you to blend them seamlessly. This idea offers endless creative possibilities, from mixing animation with live action to combining educational and entertaining content. Monetization options include brand collaborations, sponsorships, and selling custom content packages to businesses or creators. Hybrid videos stand out on platforms like YouTube, where originality and creativity are highly valued. By experimenting with different styles, you can attract a diverse audience and keep your content fresh. Imagine an animated character interacting with real-world settings, or a science experiment turned into a comedy sketch. Hybrid content allows you to break traditional boundaries and push the limits of creativity. With AI tools, you can focus on innovating while the technology handles the technical aspects, making this idea both exciting and practical. Idea 9. Predicting celebrity offspring. Predicting what the children of celebrities might look like is a fun and intriguing idea that generates curiosity and engagement. With HailuoAI, you can create realistic facial features, and Vidu.Studio enables you to animate these predictions in a visually appealing way. This type of content has high viral potential, especially on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. To monetize this idea, you can include sponsored content from beauty or fashion brands, offer personalized predictions as a service, or sell themed merchandise. The unique and entertaining nature of this idea ensures a steady flow of views and engagement from curious viewers. Imagine showcasing the possible future looks of celebrity couples' children, complete with fun commentary and creative scenarios. These videos can spark conversations and encourage sharing, boosting your channel's visibility. By leveraging AI tools, you can produce high-quality and engaging content with minimal effort. Idea 10. Creating full-length animations. Full-length animations offer endless possibilities for storytelling and creativity. With HailuoAI, you can design complex characters and settings, and Vidu.Studio allows you to bring them to life with professional-grade animations. This idea is perfect for creators looking to produce impactful and memorable content. Monetization options include partnering with streaming platforms, selling digital downloads, or launching a crowdfunding campaign to support your projects. Additionally, creating merchandise based on your animated films can generate extra income. The demand for high-quality animated content ensures a broad audience for your creations. Imagine producing an inspiring animated movie or a thrilling adventure series. Full-length animations allow you to explore complex narratives and connect with your audience on a deeper level. By combining creativity with AI technology, you can turn your vision into reality and establish yourself as a professional content creator. And there you have it, 10 incredible ideas that you can bring to life using just 2 AI tools. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content creation tips and AI-powered ideas. Remember, the possibilities with AI are limitless, and these tools make creativity accessible to everyone. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to take your content to the next level, these ideas can inspire and guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.